How to buy Nomad token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money to some crypto with the best referral code. Simply click the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 85%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token also trending number 6 on Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now open your wallet for that you will use the funds wallet. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from your customer, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a Nomad token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.